folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, I'll tell you what, it just won't stop raining. I wish it would stop raining. However, the show must go on. I gotta thank Carlsons choke tube. They sent me out their tactical muzzle brake choke tube. This is a 690 constriction. I'm shooting the Apex ammo TSS. I've got some prototype loads. I've got a 1 ounce high velocity load. I mean, folks, this is like 1,550 feet per second. I'm going to take a shot. I want to see if the tactical muzzle brake helps mitigate the recoil. As some of you folks know, I've been hunting with the Pulsar thermal sitting on top. I've got the Bro engineering mount. Works really well. In fact, I've been popping this back and forth between my PSA 300 Blackout and the Benelli Super Black Eagle 3. All right, here we go. I just got a target set out at 30 yards. Really not concerned about the pattern. I just want to see how much recoil is mitigated. Let me get the recording started in the thermal. Let me knock it. Get a focus. All right, here we go. Nice. Boy, that was a lot better. It wasn't as bad. All right, we'll see how that went. All right, folks, next up is a 1.5 ounce load of number 2s. Not bad. All right, folks, well, one thing I did notice, I didn't call out, I'm going to call out now. Looks like the 1 ounce loads did not cycle the Benelli Super Black Eagle. Okay, so now hold on to your seats. This is the 2 ounce load of BBs. I know these are going to rock. We'll see how much the Carlson choke tube tactical muzzle brake helps mitigate the recoil. Here we go. I'm going to step back from the thermal so I don't get major thermal scope eye. You know, actually that wasn't too bad. I think the bark was worse than its bite. That's not too bad at all. Alright folks, well I'll tell you what. Proof is in the pudding. You know, this Tungsten Super Shot, man, you talk about awesome. This is a 1/2 inch thick plywood. And I'll tell you what, even the number 2s punch right through easily. Pretty awesome. What do you think, Jacob?
Yeah.
Huh? Pretty cool?
Shots.
Oh, yeah. Alright, folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, if it ever stops raining, I'm going to get back out there, get after these coyotes. My one farmer called me up the other day and said, hey, I finally got that field cut last week. So anyways, we'll see what happens. Remember, support our Second Amendment rights. We'll see y'all later.